Hey, July 2nd, it's been a rainy season. It's been absolutely crazy. So today is actually a day where I'll be taking out my 2004 Corvette. It's kind of been my main daily driver. Well, not daily driver, but summer driver anyway. And just been in a trailer. Sucks being in the trailer because then I really have to commit to taking it out. Where if it was sitting in the garage, it'd just be, make sure the battery's good and then give her, right? But not this one, so stay tuned. My trusty workhorse. This thing's been awesome. Had it for quite a few years. As you can see right now, it's full of mulch, but it's been working out good to pull my trailer. Just got it out of the weeds, and here's my lovely car. So the incline is not the greatest, so I just put up the good old 2x8s on here, and hopefully that'll work.